Hi, this is Tom, and today I wanted to talk to you about the top mistakes property managers make. The first mistake that I think property managers make is they just don't get involved with technology. This is not 2005, 2000, the 1990s. A lot of property managers who have been in business for a long time, they still manage properties like it's your grandparents or your parents' property management. That's not the way it is now. It's very critical, especially for newer tenants who can be some of your best tenants, that we're really using technology. So property managers need to really have a nice website. They need to be involved with a lot of the latest systems. And by doing that, I think they're really going to be up to date and able to handle some of your younger tenants and some of your older tenants too. The next thing that's really important is they need to take great pictures. I think our industry, unfortunately, is notorious for taking awful pictures. Pictures with a camera phone, pictures that are upside down. We can make a lot of funny jokes about it, and we do in our industry. They need to take professional pictures on every property. Every property all the time. It's just consistency. And if they're not being consistent with every property, then how are they going to be consistent with yours? So make sure that you look and make sure that the company is having consistent pictures, consistent professional pictures. The next mistake that I see is they don't have a really good handle on your maintenance department. Every property management company today should have a 24/7 maintenance hotline. If they don't, what's happening to your property after hours? And I really don't get that you're going to have a property manager that doesn't have it and they're just going to wake up at 3 o'clock in the middle of the night to handle an issue. I think that's too much. So I think that every good property management company needs to have a 24/7 maintenance hotline. If they don't have that, then I think you're in trouble. The last mistake that I see that property management companies have is they don't have an official inspection report before your tenant moves in or after they move out. I think that is so critical to have an inspection report, preferably done by a third party, so we really keep a good control over your tenants. I think by keeping your tenants in control and knowing the condition of your house in a very official way, that is going to help you make more money, and that's going to protect your investment, which is really critical in property management. If you have any question about this or you want to see some more, give me a shout. I would love to talk to you. Thank you.